Welcome to our educational video series on personal finance. In today's episode, we will give you an in-depth understanding of compound interest and how it can significantly impact your financial situation. Have you ever wondered how your money can grow exponentially over time? Well, let's find out together. Compound interest is a powerful tool that can help you achieve financial success. It is the interest calculated on both the initial amount of money you invest, known as the principal, and any accumulated interest added over time. Understanding how compound interest works is essential for anyone looking to make their money work for them and accumulate wealth. The mechanics of compound interest. 1. Initial investment, principal. When you make an initial investment, you contribute a certain amount of money into an account or investment vehicle. This amount is known as the principal. It forms the base on which compound interest is calculated. 2. Interest rate. The interest rate determines how much interest is earned on your investment. This rate is typically expressed as a percentage per year and can vary based on the type of account or investment you choose. The higher the interest rate, the greater your returns will be. 3. Compounding period. The compounding period refers to how frequently your investment compounds. It can be monthly, quarterly, annually, or even daily. The shorter the compounding period, the more frequently interest is added to your investment, resulting in accelerated growth. 4. Time. The time your investment remains untouched plays a significant role in compound interest. The longer your investment can grow, the more time there is for interest to compound on itself. Starting early and having a long-term perspective provide a substantial advantage in wealth accumulation. Benefits of compound interest. 1. Exponential growth. Due to the compounding effect, compound interest has the potential to generate exponential growth. As your investment earns interest, that interest is reinvested, creating a new base for subsequent calculations. Over time, this compounding can lead to significant wealth accumulation and financial freedom. 2. Passive income. Compound interest allows your money to work for you, even when you're not actively investing. As interest accumulates and compounds, it generates passive income. This means your invested funds are growing on their own, without requiring additional effort on your part. 3. Capital appreciation. Compound interest not only generates passive income but also results in capital appreciation. As your investment grows, the overall value of your principal increases, allowing you to potentially achieve higher returns in the long run. Making your money work for you. 1. Start early. The earlier you start investing, the greater the benefits of compound interest. By giving your money more time to grow, you can harness the power of compounding and potentially achieve your financial goals sooner. 2. Consistent contributions. Regularly contributing to your investment allows you to take advantage of compounding in a consistent and systematic manner. By consistently adding to your principal, you are giving compound interest more opportunity to work in your favor. 3. Maximize your returns. To make the most of compound interest, it's essential to choose investment vehicles or accounts that offer attractive interest rates. Research different options, such as high-yield savings accounts, certificates of deposit, or long-term investment portfolios, and explore their potential returns. And that concludes our video on understanding compound interest and how to make your money work for you. By leveraging the power of compound interest, you can embark on a path to financial freedom and achieve your desired wealth accumulation. Remember, compound interest is not an overnight phenomenon but rather a long-term strategy. So, start investing, stay consistent, and let compound interest do the heavy lifting. Thank you for watching our video. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more informative content on personal finance, investing, and wealth management. See you in the next episode.